This is in response to Sabine Hossenfelder's video about if universe did inflate. I am increasingly disgusted with the low niveau of Western science. Here is my short answer. Do you know what the word universe means as per se? How is universe defined? It is defined as everything, hence the Latin name universe. The German name is all, which means the same, everything. Also, the Russian word Vselennaya also means everything. Now, how could something that comprises everything inflate? Inflate into what? If it is considered as everything, then there is nothing else to inflate into. This kind of perverse logic that is coming from Western world makes me sick. Other important point about universe is that it must be infinite. I repeat, infinite. If it wouldn't be infinite, then there would be something else behind it, and that again is against the definition of universe being defined as everything. It is simple as that. Third point is that most of the things in this universe do inflate. Take for example human body. Human lungs are inflating and deflating all the time. Or human heart. It is a pump that is inflating and deflating all the time. Or take the molecules of water on this planet. They are inflating, evaporating, and deflating, condensing all the time. The same applies for most of the things in this universe. So yes, there is only one universe, and it is everything, and it is infinite. Of course, it has structures that physicists don't know about. And it cannot inflate because such process is irrational already in its own definition. I have here complete new theory that not only explains the general principles of universe, or if you wish matter, but it is also a working theory that makes it possible to rebuild universe in the same way as it is already working now. And no, it is no stupid simulation like Nick Bostrom is proposing. Just wait for my videos, I will explain it all.